אנחנו כאן בהמשך הכנס של האיגוד הפיננסי, ואנחנו נמצאים עם מר קריס גרין ומר מייקל דלפס, ואנחנו נשאל אותם כמה שאלות. Yes, Mr. Green.
Hi.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, hi. My name is Christopher Green from Castelstone. We are an asset manager that specialises in real assets like gold and precious metals, and also in long equity strategies. Our company is really focused now on assisting investors to weather what are proving to be fairly volatile markets in today's world. Michael, would you like to add to that?
Yeah, for sure. My name is Michael Delafis, and I'm on the investment team at Castelstone Management. And I will be talking later today about the benefits of investing in real assets in the current investment environment.
Wonderful. In a vision from abroad, how do you see the Israel economy?
Thank you. The Israeli economy is one of the golden spots within the region. I mean, much more similar to, let's say, a Western economy, low interest rates, lower debt levels, excellent investment choice.
And Mr. Green, would you like to add to that?
Well, I travel fairly extensively within the region, and certainly Israel is proving to be a robust gem within this region, within Europe and also in the Middle East.
In the recent years, Israel is heading for a pension crisis. Well, the society is not investing enough and not adding enough for their pension. And in their elderly years, they won't be able to stable their level of living. What is your opinion about that?
Yeah, I would like to comment on that. What I would say is, I beg your pardon?
I would like to hold you for
Okay.
for you.
Yeah, so what I'd like to say is there certainly has been a shift in the market. Pension companies are under a number of different threats and issues as far as ensuring they produce the right kind of yield structures for pensioners moving forward. And also we see increasing aging in the population that holds the majority of wealth in the world. Where do they look for yield nowadays? Do they go to the bond market? Do they go to the equity market? Do they go to alternative markets? Our view is that you have to look for income producing strategies that reduce the risk and are a combination of correlated and non-correlated approaches.
If I could just add to that, what Chris said is absolutely correct. It's about producing income in the current environment. And it's not only Israel that's facing this. I mean, Western Europe, the United States, Canada, Australia as well. Pension returns over the last 10 years have been very, very impacted. And a very interesting statistic is that these fund managers, asset managers themselves have actually underperformed the market over the last 10 years. So going forward, it's about producing income, looking for value stocks, looking at real assets to hedge against inflation, which is further down the road.
You mentioned that you are investing in gold and in silver, and in the last 2 years, the gold price has downgraded like in 40%.
Absolutely, yep.
What is your opinion about that?
Well, I'm going to talk about that this afternoon, but I mean, gold essentially, outside of the precious metals, is offering an excellent opportunity now that the price has fallen so much. I mean, gold has historically behaved in the last few years more of like a financial asset, a higher correlation to the financial markets, which is not a great thing when you're looking at precious metals. Having said that, the fact that we've seen gold prices come off so significantly, it's starting to fall to where the level of production costs are. And we feel that any further movement downwards would hit the actual producers, the miners. So you would actually see gold start behaving more like an actual commodity, more like a natural resource. So we think at gold at these levels, let's say around $1,100 to $1,150, is a very good opportunity for the long run.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.